guys, and today we're going to be making a jumpy monkey game in Scratch. So first we're going to delete the Scratch cat. Then we're going to go to choose gray. Then we're going to scroll down. I'm going to choose the monkey. Now I want to make this look pixelated, so choose one of the sprites. Then we're going to zoom in. We're going to shrink this. And the more you shrink it, the more it gets pixelized. I'm going to shrink it just about here. A little bit more. I like that. Okay. So, now that you have made your monkey pixelized, you can do this with other sprites. I'm going to do it with the arrow. So, I'm going to delete all of these except one arrow. That's all we need. Then, I'm going to go to convert to bitmap and do the same thing. This is perfect. Now, it looks a little big on that screen, so I'm going to make it a little. That's perfect. Okay, now we're going to make it bigger. Center on the screen. We're going to start doing the code. First, I'm going to make a variable, and I'm going to call it launch speed. And we're going to make it for all sprites, and now we're going to click OK. Now we're going to go to when green flag clicked, variables, set launch speed to 10. Now we're gonna go to X minus 200. Go to Y minus 140. Now we're gonna do point in direction 45. Perfect. Now we're gonna put, lastly, go to front layer, because when you always are testing out the game, something always happens, and it just like sort of makes the wrong thing go on the front layer. So now that that's done, we're gonna go to events, when up left arrow pressed. I'm going to use WASD. So A and D. So, and then we're going to put the turn in direction. So for left arrow, I'm going to put this one. I'm going to change it to 1. Right now, I'm going to put this one. Here, it turns. Now that you can aim, you'll need the controls to set the speed of the launch, and these code blocks change the speed using the up and down arrow keys. So, we're gonna go when up arrow pressed, launch speed equals 20. we're gonna do the exact same with this one, except we're gonna use 1 and minus 0.1. Perfect. Now, the up arrow increases the launch speed, and the 20 is the maximum speed, and then the down arrow is the minimum. The 1 is the minimum speed, and it reduces the launch speed. Okay. Now, we're gonna make the jumpy monkey. So let's select the monkey sprite and add this code to shrink him down. When green flag click, set size to 35. Now we're gonna do set rotation style to don't rotate. Now we're going to go to launcher, and the launcher is going to be on the front layer, so you'll be able to still see the launcher and the monkey at the same time. There. Spacebar is pressed, add when space key pressed, go to launcher, we need this. Direction of launcher. for this tutorial. See you in the next video.